Why should you get tow truck insurance? Let's explore the benefits and factors that affect coverage. Auto risk. Owners of towing companies face many risks. Getting the right tow truck insurance provides auto risk protection, helping to cover damages or injuries caused by your drivers in accidents. What is the cost of tow truck insurance? The cost varies based on your business. Insurance carriers evaluate several factors when providing a quote for your tow truck operation. Some of these factors include how long you've been in business, your tow radius, your location, the number of trucks in your fleet, and the type of tow trucks you use, such as their age, model, and make. Other considerations include the type of business you run, whether it's roadside assistance, towing, or repossession, your loss runs, or recent claims history, the experience and records of your drivers, as well as the type of cargo you haul. How can you lower your tow truck insurance rates? One way is to increase your deductible. A higher deductible can lower your premiums because it allows you to share the risk with your insurance company. Before hiring, check motor vehicle records for each driver in your towing crew, as their records could have a significant impact on rates. Additionally, maintain your vehicles regularly and provide continuous training to keep your team efficient and safe. Interested in tow truck insurance? See how much you can save. Call J.E.B. Insurance Services now at 888-225-2258 for your free quote, or visit jebinsurance.com to get started today.